أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما ربنا زدنا علما اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما اللهم لا سهل إلا ما جعلته سهلا وأنت تجعل الحزن إذا شئت سهلا. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, my dear brothers and sisters here. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and good. Hope you all are in good state of health and iman. Inshallah. Ameen. Alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers. Barakallahu feek. So we are into the day 12th of this editing course. Only 4 days are remaining until we are heading on to the completion of this course, right? Subhanallah. Days pass by so fast, right? Subhanallah. So we have learned so much in last 16 days, last 11 days, right? Subhanallah. Alhamdulillah, Bismillah ta'ala. It was only because of the what we say, Alhamdulillahi ala ni'matihi tatimmus salihat. It's only due to the grace of Allah that the good deeds are accomplished, right? It's only by the izn of Allah what we say. Subhanallah. So come on, we are into this course with the right intention. We are with this course with an intention that we are going to seek pleasure of Almighty Allah through this, right? So we are going to earn his pleasure through this, inshallah ta'ala, and also we're going to earn rewards through this, inshallah. So I want you all to rectify your intentions before we begin, so that Allah puts barakah in our efforts, in our every click that we are doing here for his sake. May Allah write for us the good deeds instead, inshallah. So I want you all to just rectify your intentions and begin with the name of Allah, so that you're going to use the skill, use this ability in his way. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Start with his name, because this for anything and everything that you do, you have to start off with the name of Allah, right? So Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Let's seek help from Almighty Allah and continue our journey of being more productive with our smartphones, inshallah. So what did we all learn in previous sessions, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, type in the chat box. What was yesterday's session all about? Yesterday's and the day 1 session. Day 1 and day 2 of the special training sessions. We are into the day 3 of the special training sessions, right? Alhamdulillah. First 9 days we were with learning all of the tools of the KineMaster, right? Tools of any of the KineMaster, which any video editor should know about, right? So all of the tools we have learned, and from past 2 days we were having a special training sessions, and alhamdulillah we have edited beautiful videos. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers. Your videos that you are sending are excellent. Barakallah, mashallah. So you're all seeming a great, inshallah, you're going to be a great video editors in the future, inshallah ta'ala. So come on, we are heading on to the day 3rd of today's session. Before that, let's quickly recap whatever we did we did in last 2 classes. It was nothing but in the day 1st of our training session, we started off with editing the Quranic tilawa videos, right? Quranic recitation videos, and those were excellent videos that you all had put out, subhanallah. So the next thing that we learned was how to source the Quranic recitations, how to get their Arabic fonts, how to get the English translation, as well as the Urdu translation for each and every text, right? So alhamdulillah. So the next thing what we learned in yesterday's session was about how to edit the short Islamic reminders, right? SubhanAllah, we also learned how to edit the short reminders, and also we learned to do something known as a whiteboard hand animation. Okay, I already told you there are different various applications for this, but all of those are paid, and then also you can just do it with your own KineMaster in hand, inshallah. So we have also learned the whiteboard hand animation, alhamdulillah. So this was a homework for yesterday's class, and all of you have submitted it excellently. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers here, mashallah. Your homeworks were excellent. Seriously, they were excellent. Barakallah. It is excellent for a beginner. Fine, you all were a beginner and you are just into the day 10th of this course, and you have edited such an excellent content. That's so great for you all. Alhamdulillah. So all of you were doing it with such a professionalism, mashallah, alhamdulillah. So all of the short Islamic reminders were excellent, as well as the hand animation. You just need to improve. You just need to practice, practice, practice. You will inshallah get through this. Fine.
Recording in progress.
So alhamdulillah, dear sisters and brothers, what is our lesson for today? I already told you in the group, I have already conveyed, it is nothing but you're going to edit an intro and an outro, as well as the social icon videos for your YouTube handles, or if you have the Instagram, or if you have the Facebook or something, like whichever social handle you have, and whichever you have, or the brand whichever you have. For example, you have a business brand or something, like you have a store, online store, what we say, you have your own logos and something like that, right? So you just can take those logos and come today, inshallah. In today's session, you're going to edit your intros together with me, inshallah. So you can edit a beautiful intro for your own channel, be beautiful outro for your. What is intro and outro? Can you all just tell me what is an intro? Intro is nothing but a video that is played at the beginning and end of beginning of the YouTube video, or any video whichever you take. For example, have you all seen before any movie or something like that, they actually gave some intro about whoever is the producer or something, like which is this production from. For example, if this production, it is the production industry, they gave it. It is for the Bollywood industry, what I told you. For example, if you have something like the for example, whatever the Islamic channels you watch or something like that, they'll give you a whole intro video on their logo. They give a logo revealing video. We call it as a logo revealing video. Fine, we call it as a logo revealing video, and those are excellent videos that you have to create. Okay, this is created for once. Okay, it is created for once. You can create one video for once and keep, and it is for the lifetime. You can use it n number of times. What our clients pay for us. They are pay around 1 to 2K to create this intro videos. Fine, to create this intro videos. And also there are beautiful outro videos that you can put up, and also there are different social icon videos that you can put up in, even for each social icon video. For example, one social icon video with one handle, for example, one handle name, like if it is EDU-SITE with subscribe here or something like that, it will pay you around 500 for each video, which is just 10-second video on a green screen, that too on a green screen. And you all can do this excellently. Okay, so alhamdulillah, you all have learned this tactic and tricks to make to edit such a videos, inshallah. In today's session, you will be taught how to edit your own intros, and how to edit your own outros, how to edit your own social icon videos, and more for your social handles, inshallah ta'ala. And also you will be taught about something called as templates. Okay, in KineMaster you have already available templates. You can just download something from the templates, and you can make use of it, inshallah, in the videos. Okay, so inshallah, so that would be also taught in today's session. Okay, how to make use of the templates that are already available on the KineMaster. So I want you all to expect you all to be ready with the two devices. Fine, please be ready with the two devices, inshallah. Hope you all are ready with the two devices, and I want you all to just practice after me, because practicing is very, very, very important. Without practice, you won't gain the skill, mastering the skill, dear sisters and brothers. This is the skill that you are learning. Please remember, this is a skill that you're learning. It is not just a bookish knowledge. I'm repeating this again and again because I wanted to make you all clear. I wanted to make it clear to you all that this skill needs practice. Fine. This skill needs practice. Without practicing, you cannot achieve the professionalism in this skill. Fine. Hope you all getting it. Are you all ready with the two devices? Come on, type yes in the chat box. Are you all ready in the chat with the two devices? Just type yes. Alhamdulillah. Barakallahu feeki, dear sisters and brothers. So alhamdulillah. Let's begin today's session with the name of Allah. So without any delay, let me just start screen sharing. Bismillah. Okay, alhamdulillah. So we are into the day 12 of this course. We are with an application known as KineMaster, and alhamdulillah, we have created the wonderful content till now with this application, right? So barakallahu feeki, dear sisters here, alhamdulillah. So bismillah. Okay, This is the experience that we have. Alhamdulillah, we have experienced so much through this application. Let's just start creating today's project. We have so many different intros and outros that we can edit, or inshallah we can just take it out from the templates and create. Okay, now I want you all to take a fixed template. For example, if you're creating a template intro for a YouTube channel, then you have to take 16:9. Okay, select the aspect ratio wisely. Okay, be very wise in selecting the aspect ratio. If you're creating the intro for the YouTube channel, take 16:9. If you're creating the intro for the what we say Instagram reels or something like that, take their aspect ratio 3:4 or 4:5, whichever you find it good to go with for your Instagram handle, for your this handle, or whichever you want. You take the suitable aspect ratio. You have to select it wisely, dear sisters and brothers, because once you select the aspect ratio, that is once you make an intro video or once you make your outro video, that will be for the lifelong. Okay, so select it beautifully, whichever you want. Now inshallah I'll share with you some of the videos, fine, in the group. Just go move on to the group and I'll share you some of the videos to which you can apply the what we say to which you can make create beautiful intros, inshallah. Just a moment, I'm sharing it. So if you have the mehendi design channels or something, like if you're good at doing some interior designing or something like that, you have various things, what we say, various ways to put out things. Okay, and also you will have some things like, dear sisters and brothers, if you're into the gaming, or if you're into the designing or something like that, you just make use of the stuffs that are for you. Fine, if you're into the art and designing, or if you're into the painting, then make use of such of the intros that will help you out. Okay, so these are all the graphically designed videos. Okay, I already told you can find so many videos, video content, intro video content on for edits channel. Okay, this channel offers you various intro videos. Okay, those are all graphically designed intro videos. Fine, they actually make it by using the templates itself, but you can just go and refer them. Okay, you can just download those intros. They are free of cost. Okay, they are free of cost from for edits. This channel will provide you the videos. I mean, the videos are nothing but stock videos, what we say. Okay, in that you just have to put your logo, you have to put your own titles and more. That's all. Okay, so alhamdulillah, is it shared? Have you all received it? Yes, alhamdulillah, it's shared and it's received in the group. You just can download all of it, and whichever you find it great to go with, you can go with that. Fine, I'll see what just received. Okay, these are the videos that I had sent to you all. There are various videos. Fine, in that you just have to insert your own logos. Fine, because all of it are copyright free. You don't have to go after it and do make use of it in different ways, and you can just create. For example, I'll just show you one or two examples how to create it, because you have to just put in your creativity in everything. Please, you have to put in your creativity and everything that is here and create a beautiful content. That's all, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, so even if you do not want this, I'll show you how to make use of the templates of the KineMaster and create a beautiful intro video. Fine, because these are the videos that we are creating, so we need videos after videos to create this content. Okay, so for example, even you can do it with the photos, background photos. You need and you can create it with your own thing. Like if you want something black like this, put something black inside the screen, and then just put out your logo there. That's all. There's something black like this, put out your logo inside it, or they put out your just the what you say text out of it, and just create a beautiful content. Okay, for example, for now, let me just see which I can take for now to show you all some examples. I'll just pick some beautiful contents. We'll see if I find it. Okay, just a moment. There was some pinkish one, right? Okay, you can just download it up. It is also good to go. It's also fine. And there's something like this. Okay, this will hold good for the gaming kind of channels. Yes, for the gaming kind of things or something like that. Whichever you want, your logo inside it, and you have to put it in such a way that it seems great to go with. For example, see here, I'll just show you with this itself. Okay, if this is this one video that you have. Okay, for now, okay, till here it is fine. Okay, let me just stop it till here. Okay, I can put my logo here first thing. I can insert my logo beautifully. And the next thing what I can do is, okay, just a moment. It's here. Popping, give it a masking ground, shaping it up. A bit of feathering. Okay. Okay, if I want to keep it till the end, you can keep it. Okay, then animation works excellently. Okay, you can just apply the animations wherever you want. If you want to make it more in such a way that it should get decreasing its size along with this one till wherever you want. For example, till here, if you want to make it decrease, put it a plus mark there and make it decrease and just place it here. Now, when you watch it up, what it happens is, so here, our example, I'm playing this up. Okay, and let me make it in such a way that it should go with the rounds. Okay, come on. So let me see if it can move with the rounds. So from the start, I cannot apply probably. From here, let me start off. So here, when I start it up, let me just give it an animation as rubber stamp. It's all up to you, dear sisters and brothers, how you're going to make it fine. So here I made it show it in this way. So I'll just do one thing. I'll remove the animation to this fine. You have to do it in your own ways, fine? You have various ways of doing things. Inshallah, I'll teach you all of it. Okay. Come on. This is like this. Let it be placed at center. A bit smaller, I guess. Let it move a bit smaller. Okay. Then it is fine. This looks great. Let it stop here in this way itself. Okay. I think till here it should increase its size. A bit more size increase. Okay. Let's see. Then we can change it according to our whims. Okay. Then again, it's shortening up. Okay, now it should shorten up. I let it be till here itself. Then let it move inside like this. Okay, I think we can make it in such a way that it should move with us. Okay, okay. This looks best with the text as well. Okay, you can try it out with the text as well if you want. Make it move behind with decreasing speed. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, it's totally the animation that comes here, fine? Okay, again, make it more in such a way that it is moving inside. Okay. Then it gets back here and it increases its size. Something like this. Okay, we'll see if it is fine. Then it's fine. Then you can just put it out in any way that you want. Okay, it's fine. Actually, it looked great, right? So you can just make it in your own ways. Okay, if you want, you can just make it stop till wherever it's there. Or if it is kind of just the text and if you can see the background, then that also looks great. It will just apply more feather to this and see if it looks great with the content. Okay, I think that we had a glitch there, fine. You can just make use of whatever way you want. Yes, here somewhere, it should have gone there and then it should have been placed there. Fine, it's fine for now. Okay, then you can just, after this something has appeared, you can just mention here the YouTube handle names or something like that. Come on, create it in your own ways. Okay, animation works fine here. Okay, animation works fine here. So just write whatever the handle names you have, www.youtube.com/ or something. If you have it on the Instagram, write your own Instagram handle name. This holds good for the this channel, dear sisters and brothers. Okay, for the gaming channels and something like technology, if it's it, then that holds good. But for our channel, like EDU-SITE, something like educational things, this doesn't holds good. Okay, this intro that I had just provided doesn't holds good. Okay, what I can do is at this position, let this appear. So it should be like wipe right, and then you have to have a good font for that. Okay, do not compromise with say they're creating. You have to create a beautiful content. Please remember. Okay, you have several fonts on the YouTube on this. You just have to download it all. Okay, and animation you can just do wipe right or wipe left. right is perfect. Or you can just try to just find us on www.edusite.com/edusite. Right? You can just make it in that way. Or you can just write this EDU-SITE here instead of this one. Okay, instead of this one, what you can do is you can just play this off till here. Okay, and here you can just make it appear at this position exactly here. You can just write a text EDU-SITE, and you should have it in which color? Probably in a color that should seem very perfect for this. Okay, the colors matching is very important, dear sisters. Here, so how to match up this color? It should be something like this. See here in the recently used fonts, it actually shows you up what you can exhibit here based on the video quality, right? So I put out this color, but it is not looking good, so I have to give you it some options like the outline and the outline, and then that one, fine. Let's see how it works out. It's this outline is not at all perfect. Let me see if this is fine. Okay, I should reduce the color, fine. Color I have to reduce. Let me just decrease its opacity. Okay, so see here, if you want just the outside part, you can just decrease the opacity of the color that is inside. Okay, that's totally up to you how you make things, fine. If you want to make it a halo thing, this can make use of this one. Decrease the color that is inside. Okay, something like not yellowish. Brownish won't look good also. Do it in your own ways, fine. So just can make it a rubber stamp is also fine. In animation, a rubber stamp, and then the overall animation you have to give it in such a way that it is moving throughout, something like that. Or let's see how it is exhibited here now. Something like this, right? So okay. This way you can do whichever color you want, you can give. And see, you have to change the text styling and more. Please try to create it beautifully, and if not, you can just make use of the different ways of doing it. For example, you can just make use of the stickers, dear sisters and brothers. Go to the stickers and take some neon stickers and more, fine. Or just let me just keep it here, fine. Let me just keep it here. I'm gonna put with different screen now. Okay, let me just delete it out. Now I'll try it out with this next one, fine. What is the next one that we have? Okay, where is this one? Let me place it at the start. How to place this at the start? Okay, next one we have is this one. This whole goods for the art. Okay, for art kind of things. It is for the art kind of things. You can just make use of this one, and beautiful animation. You just have to give. That's all. There is nothing to this. If you're into the painting or something like that, your sisters and brothers, put out this one as an intro, and this looks beautiful. You know how it looks beautiful is you just have to give a beautiful font kind of things, and your text should have appear in the you first prerequisite is you should have a beautiful logo. Fine, your logo should be beautiful. That should match with the screens that you have, the intros that you have. Fine. So for example, this is my intro. For this, if I'm gonna apply this one, so how would I going to go? How would I going to do this? There's nothing with this edge side. It should be in the white. Okay, it should match it perfectly with the screen. If I put it in white, let me increase it to the white. The outer part glow is fine, but not this shadow color. Sorry, it's not shadow. It's outline color is not fine. So I cannot give it a white outline. Okay, if I want to increase its thickness, you can increase this way, edge side. And one important thing for this, it should be a very great line spacing on the font. This should be very excellent. Fine, sun bold is also perfect, but it may look highly bold. Yes, it may look highly bold, but that's fine. Okay, edge side. Or if you have something like this, okay, you can just write it. If you have something like art gallery, art and design, then you can just write in the second thing art gallery. And then if you have something namely what we say anything examples like picture picture gallery, or whichever you want to create, you can just create for your own ways. And then you have to write a tagline, right? For that, let me just make use of this one, duplicate this up. How to duplicate it? Move to the first position and duplicate it up. It's here with me. I'll just place this here. Duplication is done. Here I will write the tagline. Whichever tagline you choose, you can just write it there. write it as where the excellence is reached. Whichever you want. Please do it with your own handles. Okay, it actually looks excellent with your content, dear sisters and brothers. See here, simple background. You just made use of the simple background and I created an intro. Okay, this is called as an intro. Fine. Till what? Just you have to write your tagline as well as the logo. That's all. And then you can just make use of the logos as well. I made use of the name. And then what you have to write for more videos, for more such videos, you can just follow up on this channel, or for you can just visit our website, or whatever you want, you can give it there. Fine. So for this one, you have to change the font like it is written font. Fine. So be very specific with your font styling. Fine. It is also not, it's not that good, great font. It was fine previously. Okay. In animation, it should be like wipe right. Yes, it's wipe left or wipe right. Come on, we'll play this up and see. It should be very slow. So just make an animation very slower, like this, 2 to 3 seconds, because this is the thing that you're showing up in at the start of the video. And what you are, what is this channel that they are visiting and that they are starting off with, for example, in this way. Are you all finding it good to go with? Come on, type yes. Okay, this appears in this way. It's great, right? It looks great. So you just have to have a suitable background, that's all, right? Alhamdulillah. So you just can edit it beautifully in your own way. So this way. This is just an intro. You know, your intros are usually of 10 seconds only, fine? 10 seconds where the excellence really. With this, you have to apply some clicking sounds, dear sisters. Okay, you might all be having the clicking sounds and more. It will be on the page of this. We actually make use of all of those and keep it in our what we say content. For example, it is probably here or deleted it for showing it up for you. It will be available on the KineMaster itself. Come on, I'll show you how to download it. You should move to the asset store. With that, we have to have a clicking sound at behind. Whenever there is something like there is a click in there, you just have to have a clicking sound. See here in the music of the KineMaster, over there the clicking sounds and all are available. Fine. So there is something called as, wait, I'll just show you where you'll find all those. Electronic, probably in electronic. Somewhere you will find it. Fine. You just move there and download it up. Fine. You'll find it. I need you all to search that. Fine. There are clicking sounds and then something like stopping sound or something like that. A falling sound. Nature sounds are also available there. I can just make use of all of that and download it. And it looks great with your content. Take it from me. It looks great with your content. Fine. I'm not finding it now because I'm in a hurry. So probably you will find it if you will just give some more time to it. Fine. Rain dropping sound was there. You can just make use of whichever you find it great to go with. Okay, so that you have to see in the asset store, right? With each and everything you have to find a clicking sound. See here, this is playing up in this way. When it appears, it should be like it should be some sound like this, and then there should be sound like this is clicking up and coming, something in text is written, writing it up and coming, right? And then you have to give this one when it comes for more videos. This is the outro video that you can create with one itself. What you have to do, split it up. 10-second intro is done. Let me just split it up and keep given space or given black line here. Okay, let me just put a black image in between. And then for the next video, what I'll apply, that would be an outro video. That is a simple videos that you can create. Okay, usually the production industries in that they will have a simple videos for them, like simply the logos comes and appears inside. You can just take inspiration from various channels, whichever you want. Okay, so youtube.com/ for this also, when it appears, you have to give it a wipe live when it does, or when letter by letter if it appears, then you have to give it a thing like it should appear slowly first thing, and then it should be like letters, keyboard writing sound you will have. Okay, you will have a keyboard writing sound on the KineMaster itself, or you can download it from somewhere. Fine, all of those you can just apply here, and you can just have to create. Okay, you just give 15 minutes and create it and keep, dear sisters and brothers, and it will be very helpful throughout. You just have to apply it at the start of any video whenever you're creating, and end of the video whenever you're creating. Okay, this is how you have to design your own intros and outros, right? So you can just, okay, www.youtube.com/EDU-SITE. Okay, you can just write it as follow us on, or subscribe our YouTube channel, or you can just write subscribe here. Or if you do not want to write it in this way, go and download some social icons. Okay, there are so many social icons that are available in the icons on the stickers. Okay, move to the stickers and see if you have social media icons. If you have, that's well and great, it is there on the icons. Okay, so in the icons there are 3D social icons, probably it's somewhere here. Come on, there are so many icons. Go and download it. See here, you will have like, subscribe, comment. You can just make use of all of this as well to create your own content like that. Okay, let me see 3D social icons. Those are very important. Download it and keep, your sisters and brothers. It is 31 MB. Probably I won't be able to download it at the moment. Okay, it's easy to download. Just download it and keep. And what you have to do, you have to just write EDU-SITE there at the top, and then you have to write just like a clicking sound. It will appear with that itself. And then what happens is, then you'll just encounter the what we say, the outro video. You can just create in this way. Okay, here your creativity comes into picture, dear sisters and brothers. You have to be more creative to create such content, right? So you have this also, watch now, the follow now, or something like this. Okay, you have some Instagram package also. Come on, go and check here. There are so many beautiful wallpapers for you, loading or something like that. Even this you can use as a intro videos. Okay, and one more important thing is, you will have find the intros here also, dear sisters and brothers, right? You will find the intro videos here also on the KineMaster. Go to the clip graphics, intro. See here, you have an intro. You have a tab called intro. What you have to do this in this intro is, you just have to put your own logos. That's all. See here in the clip graphics, you will find your own intros. For example, you can just take some of the beautiful out of it, because all of it not look good. So yeah, simple line. You just can insert a simple line here. How to insert it? You have to insert in this way. They'll actually give you this one and this way. You just have to insert your own at your side where the excellence is reached. You can insert in that way, and then you can just insert it outro to this. Okay, this is already available for you. You just have to insert your text. That's all. In whichever way, I mean, tens of you can find. I mean, in purple, if you want purple, you can create it and put it and keep in a different formats. For example, if the second videos you will find in the whichever color you want, you can just get it. So you have different videos for each intros that you can make. Intro videos making is very easy. For example, this one video, dear sisters, you can just download it from the templates itself. Start it from the templates. That's what I'm showing you, how to use the templates that are here. Okay, instead of hello, you just put your EDU-SITE name, and then you have to remove this photo. You will have a beautiful photo, then you can just put it out. And this is a vlog styling. Okay, for the making of the logs, you can just make use of this one. And then you have another intro here, theme. Just see here, single theme. Just see here, unique and go for only for this much, 30 seconds. Just you make use of 5-second content and create an intro. That's all. And there are few more clip graphics. In the clip graphics, you might be having the modern and simple or something like that. And even the promotional videos are excellently used for the intros. I'll show you how you can use the promotional videos. See here. In the promotional content, in this way, you can make use of. See here. If you want something like this, download it, put it on this one. Instead of music party, put your this one, what a logo. But all of this highlights and this one will be same. Instead of those photos won't appear, fine. And then you will also have the device mockup. In the device mockup, you can make use of this one to create the social icon videos. Fine, I'll show you how to make the social icon videos also. So come on, make use of all of it, inshallah. Let me see how you all are going to create this content beautifully. And if you want, you can just make use of this one, videos like this, to make use of it in your own videos. For example, if I show you the first part, it's already installed. You can just put it inside and show it differently. Okay, usually this one holds good. Okay, it actually is good. Let me show you how we can create with this. Okay, so you can just download the different clip graphics and keep and make it beautiful videos. And there is something called as videos, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, I want you all to move to the videos and not for the clip graphics. Move to the videos, and there you will actually have the intros. Okay, you'll actually have the actual intros, what we say. See here, You have the actual intros. You just have with the green screen, put your own logo there. That will be excellent to watch with. Okay, this is the actual screen that they have given. You have to give it different highlights. For example, you just have to make it appear inside anything like this, or you have to make it appear inside the what we say, inside any of the green screen thing or something like that. Okay, try it all, inshallah. Let me see how you are going to make your own intros. I'm giving you the ideas. You have to create a beautiful content, inshallah. And outro videos, dear sisters and brothers, here are the outro videos that you have. See here, outro matlab, it is at the end of the video. What you have to put in here is, okay, usually this is the outro video that is actually created by each and every YouTuber or something like that. What they do, they actually put their YouTube or their logo here, the YouTube video here, and then here they write subscribe on our channel and the channel name here, and then here watch more, watch more. Okay, this is how you do, and you can just give your next video there. This is how you actually, this is actually the outro of the YouTube channel. If you are on the YouTube channel, just make use of this one, right? Make use of this one, you just can download it and keep. Okay, if you want, I'll show you how to make use of that, right? So this is the idea that I'm giving you. Just create one intro, one outro, and that's sufficient for today's session, right? But take some time, take some more to create it, because that is very important. If you are into the editing, like if you are going to create some content for your own channels, then you have to have the intro and outro for yourself, right? So you have various videos in which you can just create the intro and outro. Okay, so you have VFX effects also, that will be inshallah discussed in upcoming sessions, right? So this is the idea that I've given you. So you just can put it out here. For example, if I want to use a sticker here, okay, I'll use the stickers here. Let me see if I have something like 3D icons. Okay, so I'll just put it here. I'll put it after I mention the www.youtube.com/ this one. Okay, and one more thing, what I can do is I can start off with this one. Okay, this is the YouTube handle. I'll make it pass with this www dot, right? Okay, let it be here when it is starting up. Okay, let me put out this subscribe button somewhere. Okay, so this is here. Let me increase its size. Okay, see how beautiful you can do it, dear sisters and brothers. You're creating your own social icon video, right? So it's starting off, both will start with an animation fade. It will start here in this way. Okay, for each thing you have to start off with beautifully, right? Come on, now I play it up. Okay, now it is like this, right? So for each, I want it to move with this one. So let me just put a animation to this, and it's moving with this one. So let it move till here, and then here. So here, okay. So where is it going till the end? Let me see. EDU-SITE. I can give it till the end itself. Okay, I can make it move when it is here. It should stop by this position, correct? I can do it in this way as well. So come on, let's see how it looks. That's totally up to you. Fine, it's moving with the www.com/EDU-SITE. Okay, this is how we can just make it move, right? So it looked beautiful actually. So a bit more increase in the what I say duration, or I can give. I can just decrease this. Probably if I just remove it, it will look more good. Okay, I'll see if it is possible with this. Okay, come on, I'll play this up and see. It's like it's taking towards the end, right? So yes, in this way you can do. Fine. Hope you all are finding it interesting. And after this, you can just give a bit of subscribe button or something like that, and it should show that you should subscribe to this channel here. This is the outro video that you can create. Fine. Done. And also, if you do not find this interesting, for example, this www.youtube.com, it is not looking good. You have beautiful textures, you have beautiful stickers, dear sisters and brothers. I've already told you, make use of all of that. Come on. You are now you are into the day 11th of the course, and you have to create the content beautifully, inshallah. Come on, go to the stickers, go to the opening lines, change it instead, change it to the something good, or you can just create beautiful text. There are some options known as just the text. Okay, some whimsy text is here, some whimsy text, probably I didn't know how this here, word whimsy. And just make use of this word whimsy. Fine. Okay, I'll just delete this. I'll show you how you have to use the word whimsy only without making use of something else. You can make use of this one also. Instead of that, you have to just keep the YouTube handle name there. Fine, this is how you have to make use of different ways of creating the what we say the logos. I'll show you again. Let's see how it looks. So this was the asset store. Probably it's not needed now. Okay. Okay, with every click, it should get one this one. Okay, with every click, you have to get a one what we say a sound behind, like what we say clicking sounds. Right? So if you want, you can just give it in this way. It's like moving it along with this one, or this letter by letter, you can just decrease its this one. Then click on the subscribe button. Okay, it's not showing up because two things are running together. It's actually looking very beautiful. So you can make use of this one. If you do not want this one, okay, I'll show you with something else now. Right? I'll delete it now. Delete. Hope you all are doing it correct. Please type yes. I want a yes now. By now, I could have you all would have created at least 5 to 6 intros, right? You all can create it. Yes, create it beautifully. Come on. Start off, create different videos, create different intros. Okay, I have given you several intro videos that you can create with. Fine, there is another video. Okay, I'll just show you with each and everything, inshallah. I'll see if it looks great to go with. Fine, come on. For this one, I'll show you for the next one. Fine. Okay, this is like this. So let me just increase its aspect ratio. How to increase its aspect ratio? Pan and zoom. All of the tools you have learned earlier, because we want to apply all of this, right? Apply all of this. Now come on, when you play this up and see. Okay, this is something like this, the rounded pattern, and this looks great with this content, fine. And also, dear sisters and brothers, at this position, you can make it appear. You can make this appear, or this is for the logos, okay? You can make use of the logos here. Whenever it's like this in the round pattern, you can make use of the logos there, and you can make this appear, fine. Or it looks excellent with the content, whichever you're going to give. For example, for this itself, it is looking good. I'll just play it and show to you. Okay, it just stopped because it was having the things. Okay, this looks good. You can just stop it till here and give what we say till here. You just stop it. Okay, let me show you till where you have to stop. Till here you have to stop wherever it's blanking out. So what you'll do, trim right. I'll give it a fading option, fade out option. Trim right. Out animation, you have to give fade out animation, fade out. Okay, then put your own this one. For more videos, for more such videos, visit. Okay, and then place this here. Write something like that. Okay, and then you have to place this www.youtube.com/. Then when you play this up and see, it looks great with the content. Okay, so only this much till here. Just make use of it and trim right. Decrease its speed in this way. Both intro and outro is in one place. Okay, you can try it with the logos, dear sister. That looks great with the logos, fine. Here, logos will appear here when it is lightening up, and when it is down, you can make a logo, put a logo, and it looks great with the content. Fine. Hope you found it interesting. Yes or no? Okay. The next thing, okay, with the green screen, come on, with the green screen, it's a very important thing. With the green screen, if you're not learning, then that is of what we say. It's very important to learn with the green screen. Fine, come on. You will have so many graphically designed contents. You can just put it up with this, and you can just create your own, what do we say, intros. For example, this is the green screen that is available. How to remove the green screen? You have to make it as a, what we say, layer and not the base. So first what I do, what we usually do, we make a black base, right, dear sisters and brothers? Come on, type. I want you all to be more interactive, inshallah. Black base, and then this should be in the layer, so duplicate it as a layer. I'll delete the base now. Sorry, I deleted the layer. Okay, I delete the base. I'll just move this up this side. Okay, done. Now I'll just, what I should do is I have to remove its green screen. Yes, very good. Base should be needed for the green screen. Very good. Excellent, dear sister. Without the base, you are not going to get the green screen. And then green, removing the green screen for the green screen, keying out is very, very, very important. Remember this, dear sisters and brothers. And now you have to make it more opaque. To make it more opaque, toggle through these options, fine? And go to see where is your green screen, and you have to change your green screen in such a way that you're going to get it beautifully. Okay. No, not yet. Not yet. Okay, it's perfect now. So come on, try it out with this one. Okay, so how you are going to give it? You're going to give it for every second now. You are going to move the logo inside this for every second. Okay, you have various ways of doing things. Okay, on the i4 edits, you will find so many beautiful things, dear sisters and brothers. Take it from me, you'll be astonished that you can just put it inside the green screen and create a beautiful content. Okay, like this. Starting from here, you have to make it enter, right? Okay, this positioning is very important now from now on. So yahan se you have to make it enter. So let us start from here. Okay, and you have to be very careful while doing these things. Okay, so let me just insert wherever my logo is, because we are taking the logo. Probably you might find the animation a bit difficult now, but when you're practicing along or practicing it so much, then this animation thing will be very easy for you, dear sisters and brothers, right? So pictures. One more important thing I had to announce was we are launching a course on the flyer making. Okay, all of the flyers that you're watching here are created by me. So inshallah, if you all are interested in making such flyers, and hopefully almost all of the students, the previous student as well as this batch students, were asking me how do you create the PowerPoint slides. Those are beautiful, and even we want to create such things. Inshallah, the course is launched. We are just giving it in a very we are making it in a very short duration, and also we are giving it in very small version of it. Inshallah, what we say, it's an intensive course that we are going to launch. Inshallah, hopefully, if you find it good to go with, you can just join to create such beautiful content, and also you can just join to create your own logos. If you do not know how to create the logos, you can just find it there. We are going to use a beautiful software there, which is excellent for only for the photo editing. Okay, we do not prefer using that software for the video editing. Okay, just remember that. If you want, you can all enroll this. It's soon after this class. Okay, first this course video editing will end, and then on the second, inshallah, we're going to start off with the Canva, and we want to finish it before Ramadan because it is a highly demand course which all of the students from the previous batch just requested us to start with. They actually wanted us to show how we are creating all of the stuffs that we put out in the form of the flyers and more. Okay, it starts from here. So start giving the plus, and you have to increase the timeline size. Okay, okay, timeline size you have to start increasing, and if you want, you can just make it a round text also. Okay, with each thing you have to move. Okay, with one part. Okay, now probably my screen is not matching with this because show you why. Okay, till here it is fine. It will come here. Okay, it will appear here. Now, when it is appearing here, dear sisters and brothers, let me just give it a plus button here again. Slowly, let me just move. Okay, it should be a bit in bigger size. Okay, let it be a bit bigger size. And also, it should have been a blackish color, the roundish pattern. So let me just put it like that itself, where it was. Okay, at least at this much width. Fine. Probably it might be a misarranged for the third animation key, but still that is fine because I want to show you all how you're going to do with it. Okay, then at least move it till this much, but you have to increase its size, right? So again, move back, take it back, increase its size, then place it there. Right? Place it inside perfectly, like the start. Start should be here, right? So then at least we are moving slowly. So for this, if you move it slowly, then only it looks great, right? Move it very slowly. You have to be matched with the content because it's not getting over here. I did not match it perfectly, but you have to match it with the content, fine. Okay, the next point, let me just move it. Now it should be like it should show you entire of this. Okay. It might not look that great because I'm not actually doing it for each duration, right? We do it with each duration and put an animation key perfectly aligned. And what we should do is you have to do it, you have to increase this further. Do it for every millisecond. Fine. The animation key, you have to do it for every millisecond. Okay, this animations are very easy, dear sisters and brothers. When you go into the advanced animations, you have to type the code for each and everything. You know that everything it won't be very good to go with, fine, for you all, because we've searched for easiness. So this is very easy thing that that you all can encounter, fine. Okay, I think I moved it a bit more faster. Let it perfectly align. Okay, thoda upar niche ho gaya, but still can cope up, fine. But you have to move it with this round that is moving, fine. Try it out, come on. Sometimes it won't be good, sometimes it will be good. It is totally up to you how you're exhibiting the things, okay? That's all. Okay, alhamdulillah. Okay, till the point duration I gave till 3 seconds, okay? It is stopping till 3rd second, let it stop there itself. Then what happened at 4th second, it's stopping there, no problem. Then after 4th second, what happens is it's moving out, okay? It's moving out, I'm not going to give that now. Okay, let me just stop it. I'll play it up and show till how it is coming inside the screen. It comes, okay, wait, it's not playing properly. Okay. No, it's not yet playing up. Because I'm running the Zoom here as well, Zoom screen sharing. It's actually taking some glitches in the screen, right? Okay. No, what happened is this is playing up and that is not playing up. What we say, the video is playing and the animation is not playing. It should play perfectly. Let's see if it plays well, then that's great and good. Okay, now it's no. What happens is stopping the video, fine. It's actually fine. The video is being stopped, that's all. One thing is stopping and one thing is not playing. That's happening. And now it's fine. Now it played. Okay. So this is how we create the animation. Okay. Your own animation, your own ways. Fine. Come on, do it in your own ways. Now it played perfectly. In this way. And then you have to move it further. I stopped it till there. Then what you have to do, you have to move it out with the phone itself, fine. You have to move it out with that, and the animation is perfect. So green screen in this way you can give, and also you have so many other options for the green screen, dear sisters and brothers. If you do not want this, do not just leave it out. If you find this is a difficult task, give your 15 minutes here. This will be for lifelong, okay? Give your 15 minutes, spend on 15 to 20 minutes time by creating some beautiful animation with that, and then that will be perfectly aligned with your this one screen, and then you just can make use of that in your own videos. That's all. So you have so many different things, dear sisters and brothers. Please try it all. See here, you just can remove the green screen. How to make it appear? Give it a logo. For this one is good with the technology logos and more. If you want, I can try it with our logos also. Let's see how to try it. It's nothing but it is at the stagnant position. You just have to insert the logo or put a green screen behind. That's all. Doing it along? Come on. This is how you all have to create. I think it's taking our time, much of a time, and almost we are time almost for the class. So alhamdulillah, hope you all found it beneficial. This is how you have to create the intros, right? You just have to remove the green screen and then put it all inside. Is the green screen gone here? I have to move here and see whether it's gone. Yes, it is gone. So what you have to place there, you have to place your own logos. When you play this up, the logo will be there. Okay, hopefully you do not need any more information with the green screen and logo. I will show you one outro video, how you have to create. Okay. For example, some of the outros I have shared with you, dear sisters and brothers. Come on, click on those outros and put it there. Here is the outro. Okay, these are the outros that are already available. Even YouTube offers, or even the KineMaster offers you so many outro videos of your own choice. You can put it there. Then you can just insert your own logos inside it. That's all. In animation, you just have to give. Out animation, you have to give. That's all. Then you will have your own logos there, right? For example, if I take this logo, I have to just give it a cropping black. So why was the first class necessary? Why were the first 10 days necessary? Because you learned everything to do, right? Every tool to do to make these things, right? To make things easier, like this. Put it in this red circle. Okay. Now you just have learned how to use the tools. Now you have to just apply it in your own ways. I want you all to create one intro, one outro, and one social icon video. Social icon video I'll show in a while, inshallah. What did I tell you about the social icon video? Social icon video is nothing but it is in the green screen. It will be appearing in animation. Let me just fade it up and put. Okay, it will be appearing. Okay. You know, sometimes when I play this up with the zoom, what is happening is one video is playing, another is not playing on the screen. Okay. No problem with this. Let's see. Okay, this would be fine. Okay, and that's where you have to put, and then you can just put your own logo name. I mean, the name for this one. For example, EDU-SITE, if you want, you can put it here. I'll just show you where you can put a text. This is one outro, one example for outro you can create. EDU-SITE, okay. So put it below this one, right? Okay, come on, you have to do it in this way, inshallah. You all have to do it perfectly and inshallah in a good way, in animation with an in animation with an out animation. This is how you have to create your own intros and extras. Okay, this looks fine. Okay, this one should have a good text at your side. This one, change its font, and make it beautiful. You can give it a handwriting font. And also make it appear like in animation, like a wipe right or something like that, like how this thanks for watching has appeared. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. You can just make use of this for the outro, or there are several ways you can make use of the outros. For example, I'll just give me 1 minute, inshallah. I'll create one intro again, inshallah, for you all. And also you have something outro here as well. Come on, you have so many options in this. I'll show you in this flyer. What you have to do is put the EDU-SITE. Our students created with this, okay? Created EDU-SITE with this. What did they have to write? Whenever the light appeared over there, you just write EDU-SITE. Alhamdulillah. I can just create your own ways. It's nothing but for the same videos you have to apply. For this also appears great. Just have to put a middle line, or you can just give a logo there or something like that. Create with your own brand. I want to see with your own brands, inshallah. Let's see how. And this one looks very perfect. You know how the students have created. And even we tried out with in the last class. What did we do was. Okay, I'll show you how did we do. For this one, we made use of yellow one, okay? Yellow one. While this something was rounding up, we just made the EDU-SITE appear inside. Okay, if I have the EDU-SITE logo here, I think I deleted that, right? Okay, that's deleted. Let me just duplicate this and keep it here. For now, inshallah. It should be a bit bigger. Write it in yellow manner, whichever there is. See here, those things that are in the screen that will appear inside the recently used, right? So you don't have to search for it. So while this is entering, you have to give it an animation like it is entering inside. So this should be left letter by letter, not letter by letter, wipe right. It should be wipe right, fine. Then you have to give the tagline also with that, and also give. I have sent all the videos, right? Dear sisters and brothers, give an outline. This should be very beautiful. Intros and outros should be very beautiful. Why is it so, dear sisters and brothers? Please type, because it is created once and for all. What we say, it is just created for once. Okay, it should follow with this one. Fine, it should follow with this one. So this is how we can just make it appear. Okay, done. Then should make it appear in this way. If you want, give it a glow. It looks great with the glow. Fine. And also when this starts appear, give the tagline with that. Fine. Give the tagline with that. Give a shadow with that. Give a glow with that. Come on, give it all a try. It looks great. Are you all trying it out? I want a yes now, please. Okay, when this starts appear, please create different projects. Okay, create at least 10 projects. Now I have sent you 10 videos. You can create 10 projects. Okay, this one till here you can just mention like this, and here you can just put another thing like where the excellence is reached. Another text like where the excellence is reached. The tagline, what I say. Okay, I should have kept those text so that my task would be easier. But fine for now, no problem. Okay, alhamdulillah. You can just make it appear in whichever way you want, and you can keep it like this. Okay. You can make it appear like blink in the button, and then you can stop it till here. Right? Then there is some button here, dear sister. Just till here, just stop it. Okay. Till here, just stop it. Fine. And then after this, give it a trim, right? And then you can just create an outro now. How to create an outro? Put a www.youtube.com, and then it is like something clicking there. Trim right, and then for more reminders, subscribe. Over this clicking wherever they have given, do that. Fine. I've told it all. I think you will all try it. Fine, inshallah. And then this is here. Okay, last time we created with this one, and we created it excellently. Okay, what did we do here was we had the screen. Just with this video, we created a beautiful intro and an outro, dear sisters and brothers. So how did we create was, this is the video. Okay, we made EDU-SITE appear inside it, wipe right or something like that. Okay, let me show an animation. It's wipe right itself, wipe left itself. Okay, so let me just change its color. It should be white because the screen is blue, and you have to be very matchy with this one. Okay, match the content along with this one. Come on, take this one now. Yes, sisters and brothers, I want you all to follow it up with this, which each and everything that I'm teaching. Okay, EDU-SITE appeared like this, and then you can just, after this appeared, then you can make this where the excellence is reached appear in the wipe right manner. An animation again, wipe right. Okay, then what we did was we just duplicated it up. Duplicate. Okay, we just placed it in a bigger manner, and also we made it move like this. From starting, it is moving it throughout the screen. We can also make use of that, as well as if we made it appear in the back of the screen, we just lowered its opacity. Okay, see now how it appears. For the back one, we do not want the, what we say, animation. Let it be just a faded up. Okay, so for this one, we can even decrease its opacity moreover. We can do it send backward. And also one more important thing we can do with this something that is on the back, that we could just apply the animation to it in this way. Plus button, and then it's moving out this way outside. Okay, we did it in this way actually. It looked good. So this way, or we can just make it appear like it's standing with the EDU-SITE, or we can just make it stop with the EDU-SITE. Whenever it's coinciding with that, we can just make it stop here. For example, यहाँ पे हमें stop कर सकते हैं इसको. Let's make it stop here instead of moving it out of the screen. Okay, let me just make it stop here. How to make it stop? Just give it a plus button and remove this animation. Fine. Now when I play this looks excellent. See here. Yes, that's inside, and this is how you have to do it. And we also created we can also create an outro with this. Okay, this much is an intro till where, till this disappears. You have to cut off what we say till the white button. Fine. Only till this much. For the bookish thing, for the educational things, you can just take this out. Okay, take this as an intro. Create your own intros. Come on, do it. Till here we can create our own intros. Done. यहाँ तक हो गया. Then it went out. I mean, it's not playing up. Okay. Then what happened is, then we have something like the window is appearing in different manner now, in this way. For here, you can just keep for more reminders, for more what we say, for more videos, for more such videos, subscribe. Write it www.youtube.com/EDU-SITE. That's all. Okay, create both of it, intro and outro, and then just create it in this way. Fine. So then if you want, I told you we'll just create one simple social icon video. And inshallah, I want to see a beautiful social icon video that you all are creating. So just go to the image assets, go to the green color if you have here. If it is not here, you just keep a white base. Okay, then go to the colors and change the color to the green. Usually social icon videos, I told you, you just have to create with the green screen because you're going to put it in the videos, fine. Then you're going to the stickers, go to the subscribe button or whichever button you want. For example, first what we will take, first we will take a this one, wait, I'll show you. First we will take a frame, fine. For the frames, we'll see what kind of frames we have. We need a round frame, fine. We need a round frame in which we want to put like or subscribe to our channel. Okay, just a moment. I'll show you a beautiful how ways of creating things. These are extremely over. What do I say? We can just make use of something like small rounded stickers. What do you say? Lower thirds. There are several lower thirds. You can make use of that. But now probably I'm not finding a suitable one. Let me just fix it up with this one only. Okay. Let me just fix it up with this one only because I'm not finding it. I think any lower thirds you can go. Okay. Frame, cinematic frames are not good. Okay. Now what I was supposed to do was, okay, I was supposed to make this I thought of making this base here and then put my own this one, fine. You can just make use of that one, but the lower third I'm not finding it good to go with. Okay, this one would be good, better than that. Okay, you can just download the lower thirds from the store. Remember, you have so many lower thirds in the store, download it, fine. What do we call for each and everything? Remember that also, okay. You have to remember what it is called. Why is it called so? The lower third. Okay, usually in the breaking news content and more, you have to make use of this one. Okay, you can just place it here and bring it forward. And then if you want to change the colors, there is also an option of changing the colors. And if you want, you can make use of the text. Now put a text like EDU-SITE here, or you can just put a text like www.youtube.com/EDU-SITE here. Let me save this www.youtube.com. No, it's something like this one. Okay, the thing that it is www.youtube.com. Okay, edit it like put a browser name, website name, or something like that. /et. Okay, alhamdulillah. So this is how you actually create the social icon video. So then if you want, you can just give your own bring forward. Okay, then you can give your own ways of things like over there above you can give the subscribe or something like that. You can just put this up. You can just put this up inside the an animation. Wait, I'll show you how beautiful. Scale down is also perfect. Or wipe down is perfect for this. Okay, okay. For on the top you can just put a subscribe button. Okay, this is how you create the social icon videos. I told you all how to create the social icon videos because social icon videos are very important, right? I told you you have to put all of those social icon videos inside the videos, fine. Inside the videos, like whatever we say in between the videos, right? This is the like button. Just put it in between. Does it look good with this? Probably yes. We should have just cropped that out, I think. Crop that up a part out of the sticker. Or else we can place something else there. The subscribe button also we can place there. Yes. If you do not like this to be placed, we can just place the subscribe button. This like is not looking that good. You can just place this subscribe button here. Bit bigger and so that it occupies the screen. I did not match it up perfectly with the lower third. Lower third should be something different. You can just download it from the KineMaster asset store. I probably deleted it to show you from where you can download it. It's already available. Fine. This way you can just create the social icon videos. Fine. Where how you have to insert it? You have to insert it in the middle, right? If you want to with the Instagram, put an Instagram logo and then put a www.instagram.com/your handle name. Okay. Done? Understood? This is how you create the social handles. I'll show you some of the social handles that I have created for the various channels. Each will cost you at least 500 to create. You can just charge with your clients, fine. So some of the videos that I have created for various channels, I'll just show you up. I'll see if you all can do that stuff. So this is created from the render forest, an application named render forest. What I did was I just went there and I just purchased this up. If it is not purchased, what we also can do is you can just download it and put it into the KineMaster and remove the render forest template that was, I mean, the watermark that is there. And then I made use of this video, fine. I made this video for a channel named Your Sister in Islam, right? So what I did over there is in the render forest, you can just download this app. Fine, I just downloaded it up with the template with the watermark only, okay? And then I put it here with this itself. So this one also I created for them, and this one also. These are the social icon videos that I had created for them. Okay, this their logo did not have a PNG, so it did not appear perfectly. Fine. And the major application to edit all of the things is KineMaster. Please remember that, because even I created on the render forest this one, but I had to get back to the KineMaster to fix it all, okay, because it was not fixed perfectly. To make it appear perfectly and to add different things, you just have to have the KineMaster. It is very important. Each and every task you can create with this. Okay, and also some of the social icon videos that I had to share with you was something like this. Okay, if you want to give it to this, see here how you can just make it appear with the screen. You have the various things. These are the social icon videos. For each, you can charge at least 5K or something like that, 500 or something like that. So yeah, this is the YouTube handle you can give. And yesterday, probably a student has shared this in this way. It looked very excellent, dear sisters. Barakallahu fiki. So alhamdulillah, this was the intros. Their outros were excellent. So this is how I just designed some of the outros and intros. So here also, this also was excellent. What I did, it is purely very easy. Probably you all have, this was with the KineMaster only. With the KineMaster only. You just have to make this thing appear with this screen, that's all. And then you can just give the animation to it. And then you have something like this. This was the outro that I had created for the YouTube channel. This was purely done by me. With each click, I had a sounding with that, okay? And it looked perfect with the screen, right? And I also have some for the various channels. I cannot show it because of privacy issues. I could show you for one or two, inshallah. Okay, this is how we can just give on this way, right? So hopefully you all can create a content. You all can be the professional creators, inshallah, from now on, because you have learned how to create an intro, how to create an outro, and you have learned it with the green screen. You have learned it with various things, alhamdulillah. So for now, you just have to apply all of it. Okay. So dear sisters and brothers, take care of yourself. This was the class for today, alhamdulillah. So what would be your homework is nothing but you all have to just send in your intros and outros. That's all, fine. So alhamdulillah, this was the session for today. Hopefully you all found it excellent to go with, and hope you all found it interesting, fine. So take care of yourselves, inshallah. We all will see you in tomorrow's session. This will be your homework. Kindly take a screenshot and inshallah I'll share with you after the session. So jazakumullahu khairan kaseera. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilayk. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In tomorrow's class, we are going to learn something very important. I want you all to be, inshallah, present in tomorrow's session as well and learn so much from the sessions. Jazakumullahu khairan, dear sisters and brothers. Assalamu alaikum.